Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the apps and account, so start by powering the smart plug and putting it into setup mode. That flashing LED means it's ready to pair. Open the Smart Plugs app first to complete any device-specific firmware or registration. This avoids conflicts later. Once the plug is registered in its own app, switch to the Alexa app. Make sure your phone is on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi network so Alexa can discover the device quickly and reliably. In the Alexa app, enable the Smart Plug skill and sign into that vendor account. This creates an authorization bridge so Alexa can control the hardware. Once authorized, tap Add Device or say, Alexa, discover devices. Alexa will scan and import the registered plug. After discovery, give the plug a clear, short name and place it in a group such as living room. This helps Alexa understand commands and prevents misfires when you control multiple devices at once. Finish by testing voice commands. Say, Alexa, turn on name, and observe the plug and connected device. A fast response confirms a good connection. If Alexa can't find or control the plug, make sure the plug is on the 4 GHz network, the vendor account is linked and both apps are up to date. Then power cycle the plug and router. If problems persist, factory reset the plug and repeat registration. This clears stale credentials that often block pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.